Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Jason Ybarra, Planetarium Director here at WVU, and today I'm going to give you some tips on the best ways to stargaze right here in West Virginia, where we have some of the darkest skies around. First, you will want to find a dark location. If you're in a city, drive out into the countryside. If you're in the countryside already, make sure to turn off all unnecessary lights and find yourself the darkest spot. You'll want to wait a few minutes in your dark location before you start stargazing so that your eyes adjust to the dark. As they adjust, you will be able to see fainter and fainter stars. It is important not to use your phone while stargazing. Every time you look at a phone, your eyes will reset to that light level, and this will make it more difficult to see in the dark. Because of this, we recommend you bring a star chart. You can print out star charts online or buy a planisphere. Make sure that your star chart or planisphere is calibrated for the right place on the Earth. Different latitudes can see slightly different sets of constellations. For West Virginia, you will want to use one that is set for 40 degrees north. You'll want to make sure that your star chart is displaying the right time of year, since the visible constellations will change as the Earth moves around the Sun. A planisphere will work all year round. We also recommend buying a red flashlight, which you can use to view your star chart. The red light allows you to see the chart without destroying your dark vision. As you begin stargazing, you will want to get oriented. So, let's begin by finding north. To do that, you'll want to locate the Big Dipper. The Big Dipper is part of the constellation Ursa Major, and it looks like this. Here's the handle, and then the dipper part. You can then follow the far edge of the dipper through the sky, and it points to a particular star. While this star is not the brightest in the sky, it's extremely important. This star is Polaris, or the North Star, and it points north. Polaris doesn't move in the sky, and the stars near it don't set. That means you can see the Big Dipper all year round. When facing north, east is on your right, and west is on your left, and south is behind you. From there you can orient your star chart and start looking for interesting constellations. Cancer the Crab is a good constellation for springtime. Summer has the Summer Triangle. Pegasus is wonderful in the fall, and winter is the best time to look for Orion.